Did you know that you can watch TikTok videos even when you don't have internet? In this video, I'll show you how to download clips directly in the app so they're always available to you, anywhere and anytime. Let's see how this option works. But before we begin, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you're always updated on the latest tutorials I post. So, to start, open the TikTok app and log into your profile. Once you're in TikTok, the next step is to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and that will take you to your profile page. When you're on your profile, in the top right corner of the screen, you'll see 3 horizontal lines. Tap on them. Then, in the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. Once you're in the settings, simply scroll down and find the section called Offline Videos, and tap on it. Here you can choose how many videos you want to download: 50, 100, 150, or 200. You can also see how much storage space those videos will take up on your phone. Just select the number of videos you want to download. I'll choose 50. After selecting, tap the download button. You'll see that the download starts right away, and at the bottom left, it will say you're watching offline videos. Now tap the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen, and there you can check how much is left until the download is complete. Keep in mind that you can only watch the videos in this section, and you can't choose which videos are downloaded. They're automatically taken from your For You feed. So if you later want to watch these clips, you'll need to go back into Settings and open this offline video section again. Now you can watch all your downloaded TikTok videos without needing the internet. Whether you're on a plane, traveling, or just want to save your mobile data. That's it. Quick and easy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel's Smart Assistant. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.